Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Bishop. So lovely to see you again. Now, can you tell where I am? I'm back in school, in the Lima room. Although there's not very many days of school left, and actually it's nearly time for the holidays, where we've got lots and lots of days to fill with fun activities. Now, in case you're bored or wondering what to do over the long summer, I've asked my friends, the teachers, if they can help plan some activities that you can have a try at. They've been really creative, and I've really loved watching their videos. So sit back, relax and enjoy these special ideas prepared for you by some of your teachers.
Hi, I'm Mr. Matt, and I love to read.
With my cat.
With my family. On the stairs.
On the floor.
When it's sunny. Even in the rain. Reading is good for your brain and for your soul. You can read books that make you laugh. Books about history. Books that will help you cook. That's a good potato there. Very good. Books about space. Books about music. All sorts of books. You should sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge. There are games, book recommendations of over 1 million books, cool rewards and badges to earn. Join the Silly Squad this summer and take the Summer Reading Challenge now. Visit summerreadingchallenge.org.uk for more details. Happy reading!
Hi everybody, it would be lovely over the summer holidays if you could carry on being the superstar writers that you are. And there's lots of different ways that you could practice your writing. It might be that you help your grown-up at home by writing out the shopping list to take to the supermarket. This is my list for when I go to the shop later, and I think you'll agree I've got all the healthy foods that I need. Or it might be that you would like to keep a diary over the summer holidays. I used to do this every summer, and this is actually my diary from when I was 8 years old and we went on a holiday to Cornwall that year. So I did a little bit of writing and then drew a picture. Or it might be that you might want to write a postcard or a letter to a member of your family or a friend to let them know what you've been doing over the summer holidays. But keep on being those superstar writers. Have a lovely summer holidays, and I can't wait to see you all in September. Bye.
Recently, whilst I haven't had so many birthday parties to go to, I've been spending my time enjoying music. There are loads of ways you can enjoy music, and I just wanted to share some of those ideas with you, just in case you wanted to try them out over the summer holidays. Number 1, listening. I really recommend a song called Happy People by Kenny Garrett. Check it out. Number 2, singing. Anyone can enjoy singing. It really does make you feel good to sing your heart out. Singup.org have been uploading a song of the week every week, and tutorials too to help you. Check it out. Number 3, practicing. The more you put into it, the more you get out of it.
Lots of great ways to practice your mental maths and your arithmetic over the summer, and it is brilliant if you keep up with things like your times tables and your number bonds and those useful number facts. A little bit of practice often really does go a long way, and there's lots of fun ways that you can practice these things. I'm just going to show you on our school website where you can find loads of really useful links for things like games and songs and different activities that you would like to do. So if you go to the math section of the school website, you will see on the right hand side that there are some boxes which you can click on, which will take you to lots of different links. Some brilliant games include things like Sumdog or Times Table Rockstars, or any games that you want to play that aren't on the computer as well, and there's lots of good ideas for those. I love games that involve dice. I think they're a really brilliant way of developing number sense. There's also songs which are amazing for helping you to remember some of those number facts like times tables that will really help you out. And if you go on the times table section of the school website, there are also some downloadable sheets and activities for you to have a go. Have a lovely summer and enjoy practicing.
Why not have a go at some story writing? There's loads of creative writing ideas. Have a look on the website for the link. But you might want to start with thinking, what would happen if you woke up one morning and found the biggest box delivered to you with your name on it? Who sent it to you, and what would happen when you opened it? Or what if you woke up one morning and you'd shrunk to the size of a Lego character? Or can you imagine if you had a pet that was an alligator? Where would you take them? What would you do? You might want to have a go at drawing some of your favourite book characters. Look at mine. I've had a go at drawing, can you guess? Yes, Daisy. Might want to have a try at writing your own versions of your favourite books. Or another one of my favourites, Tom Gates. Have a look on their website for loads of links and tips on how to draw like Tom Gates and how to create your own comic style books. But whatever you do, enjoy, and we'll look forward to seeing them. Take care.
Hello everybody, I know lots of you are doing baking at home at the moment, and Monkey and I are going to try and do a little bit of baking ourselves. I've already started by preheating my oven, and I did have to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit, so I'm already doing a little bit of maths here. I might have to do a little bit more. I'm going to start measuring out my ingredients. These are vegan cupcakes, so we're going to use some soya milk, and my instructions say I need 400 millilitres of this to make 24 cakes, which is way too many for me. So I'm going to halve my ingredients. Half of 400 is 200. So we're going to measure this at... Hold on a minute. Monkey. I found an array. 3 by 4. That's how many? 12. 12, that's how many I need actually. Perfect. Monkey and I are weighing out our ingredients now. We needed 400 grams of self-raising flour, which I've halved to 200 grams. Monkey has managed to get a little bit messy, but that happens in the kitchen sometimes. We've been combining some of the ingredients. We needed half a teaspoon of things like bicarbonate of soda, so I had to halve a half, which, if you know your fractions, is, Monkey, a quarter. And we've got some vinegar in with our soya milk, which must be doing some kind of sciencey thing. I wonder how vinegar affects soya milk and what that's doing, because I hope our cupcakes don't end up tasting like vinegar. Time to mix. Messy part, need an apron on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just about mixed together. Good job, Monkey. Monkey's keeping an eye on how much we're spending using the electricity for the oven. 0.82 pounds. How much is that, Monkey? It's 82p, isn't it? We're going to separate the mixture out. So we want 1/12 of the mixture in each of our 12 cupcake spaces. I did say you get a bit messy when you bake, didn't I? Well, they look about ready to go in the oven. Now they need to cook for about 15 minutes and then they need to cool for 10 minutes. So how long is it that I need to wait before I can actually eat some of my cupcakes? It's 25 minutes, isn't it? Can't wait. We can't wait! Are you hungry? I think he's hungry. How much are you eating at the moment? 6 ounces? Ounces? That's an old-fashioned measurement, isn't it? I wonder how much that is. Can you tell me how much 6 ounces is in millilitres? Question for you. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, it's all steamy. Wow, they look good though. Excellent. I put a bit of coconut on top of some of them for people who like coconut. But where's Monkey gone? Monkey, do you want to see what we've made? Monkey, what are you doing down here with Nathaniel? Oh, you want some cake, don't you? Job done.
Hello, it's lovely to see you. I'm going to give you some fun ideas that you can do over the summer to practice your letter formation and your sounds. The first one is if you go to the beach, you can write your letters in the sand. You can do it with your finger or a stick or a pebble that you find. If it's raining, you could get some yogurt and custard in your kitchen and have a go at writing the sounds and the letters in yogurt and custard. But make sure you ask an adult because it could get messy. If you don't have time for that, how about while you're splish-splashing around in the bath, getting some shaving foam and writing some words and sentences in shaving foam. If you're in year 2 or above, you could practice doing all those activities but with your joined up handwriting. To practice your sounds, remember to get Fred to help you. For example, when you look in the fridge and you see something yummy, you can sound it out using Fred talk. For example, j, a, Then you could pinch those sounds, j, a, and give it a go. Writing. You could do the same when you looked in the wardrobe. What might you find? You might find a k, o, t. You could pinch the sounds again. K, o, t. And then have a go at writing it. There's also lots of websites to help you with your sounds, and they're really fun. You've got Phonics Play and Forest Phonics. Have a wonderful summer. Bye.
Hello, I'm going to tell you about a sewing project that I've been part of called A Stitch in Our Time. All you need is some scissors, a needle, a small piece of fabric, a pencil and some sewing threads. You don't need to have as many as I've got. On your piece of fabric, you need to cut it out. You need to mark a square that is 13 centimetres by 13 centimetres, and then mark out another square inside of that that is 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Then you can draw your picture onto your fabric and then stitch over the top. Here's some examples and some information about how to enter. The closing date is the 30th of July and you need to post your entry through the letterbox at Sold on Shoreham High Street. Be great if you take part. Bye!
Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you about some fun sports activities that you can do over the summer. I'm sure lots of you had a go at Joe Wicks's PE lessons over the school closure period. He's still uploading loads of workouts and his PE lessons. England Athletics have also got a YouTube channel called Phonetics where they post loads of different activities. I also want to share with you an app called geocaching. This is an app that you can use when you are out and about. You can find caches. I'm in a very windy Buckingham Park where there are 3 geocaches. I'm going to have a go at trying to find one. I've clicked on the geocache that I want to find, and now I'm going to click navigate, and then the GPS will tell me how to get there and how far away I am. So now I am next to where it is. I am going to go on hint, and it says 3 trunks say it all. So I found a tree with 3 trunks, so I think this might be the one. So to me, this area here looks like it has been placed there, so I'm going to have a look and see if it's... Just here, if you open this up, inside there is the logbook in there for you to write your name. You need to remember to bring a pen. I hope you enjoyed finding one of the geocaches with me. There are 2 more to find in Buckingham Park and loads more around Shoreham. See you later.
Thank you so much, teachers. There are so many fun things to try. I know that I'm not going to have any spare time over the holidays, so I hope you all have as much fun as I will trying out some of those activities. I think maybe vegan cupcakes might be first on my list. Now, children at Rainbow Class have also been working hard to do a special performance for you and to remind you that no matter where we are over the holidays, no matter what we're doing, Jesus is with us every step of the way and every move we make. So rather than finishing with a prayer today, I'm going to hand over to the children of Rainbow Class who are going to sing a song for you. Enjoy. Bye.
Well done, children. That was awesome.